This is a demonstration of the CEPT Carrier Edge Power Tracking function only available on Avcom's L-band satellite beacon receiver products. Track the edge of a complex modulated signal such as DVB-S2X. It allows the user the unique capability to lock and track on a known carrier signal and provides a DC output voltage proportionate with the input RF power level. All Avcom products can be utilized with the EVO graphical user interface software. We first set the center frequency to the edge of the signal. The tracking algorithm is set to CEPT. There are a range of bandwidth settings that can be utilized for tracking. In this case, we will use the maximum to view enough signal and noise levels accordingly. We set the peak ride function from the menu and observe the peak of the signal to be at -69 dBm. Set the reference power level to -69 dBm. The corresponding output voltage will indicate 9 volts. The voltage slope setting is at 0.25 volts per dB. If the difference between the peak of the signal and the lower portion of the signal is at least 3 dB, the locking method will provide an output voltage proportionate to the peak RF level. The acquisition C/N0 level is set slightly lower than the peak RF level. The tracking carrier/N0 is set slightly above the noise floor. These are set to show that they are active and so that the signal being considered for lock is sufficiently above the noise floor as well. We now set the receiver to run mode, and we can see that the lock is almost immediately achieved, as indicated on the left panel. The DC output voltage level is at 8.6 volts. With the 0.5 Hz filter and the time to lock set to 2 seconds, the receiver has locked on the carrier very quickly. As the signal level changes in amplitude, we can observe the left panel voltage changing commensurate with the signal level. The power in dB Hz is observed in the left panel and drops from 93 dB Hz to below the tracking C/N0 setting of 65 dB Hz, at which time the receiver unlocks. As the RF input signal level is increased again, we see the current C/N0 increase above 70 dB Hz, at which time it has exceeded the acquisition C/N0 and the receiver goes back into lock. The corresponding output voltage is again indicated. Thank you for your interest in Avcom products and for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact our sales team at salesrfq@avcomofva.com or by calling 407-574-2450.